Hello, you're welcome back. My name is Esther. How are you today? Today we'll be drafting a basic sleeve pattern. And to do that, you need your draft paper, your ruler, your curve ruler, or anything to make a curve with. Then you need your pencil. But for the purpose of visibility during tutorial, I like using marker. But a pencil is most precise in terms of the points, getting your points. Then you have your tape measure, and of course, you'll be needing your armhole length. And you basically need your bodice so that you can try it out if it will fit. Let's get started. Firstly, I am going to mark a straight line at the center of my drafting paper, and this will serve as my sleeve length. And my sleeve length is 22 inches. I'm going to indicate a starting point here and where it's going to end at the 22-inch mark. I'm going to draw a straight line. Having done that, I'm going to put in my round wrist measurement. That's half of it on both sides. My wrist measurement is 9 inches. That's 4.5 on both sides. And to draw a line. I'll go ahead and indicate my sleeve head. Now it's time to determine the cap height. To determine the cap height, you divide your bust measurement by 12 and add half an inch to. My bust measurement divided by 12 was 3 inches plus half an inch. That's 3.5 inches. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my armhole length here, half of it on both sides. I'm going to connect that point to my sleeve head. Having done that, everything I've done so far has been pretty much the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and label the front, and the back. After doing that, we are going to change a little bit. Now for the front, divide it into 3 equal sections. After dividing it into 3 equal sections, now to the last section, divide the last section to 2 equal sections again. Then come down by 1 centimeter. That's my 1 centimeter there. Then on the first section, go up by 1 inch. When you're done going up by 1 inch, then it's time to connect the point to make a curve. You can use your French curve or whatever you would urge you to connect the curve. We are interested in the curve, not in your tools. Sorry if that was rude. So now to the back side, the back of the sleeve, divide that into 4 equal parts. Remember, the front was divided into 3 and now the back is divided into 4 equal parts. Don't mind my funny way of dividing things. You'll get the hang of it with time. Now go up by 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch. And the rest is just to curve and go in slightly. Don't want so much calculations, and this is basically it. It still gives you that professional kind of finishing, but in a very simple way, not much calculations. Now to the other part of the sleeve, you are going to draw a straight line connecting your wrist to your cap height. Now to find your elbow line, you find the midpoint as half of the sleeve should be your elbow. For me, it was 11 inches. I am going to extend that line both sideways. I don't know if it's visible enough. I'm going to go ahead and go in by half an inch on both sides of that elbow line. Now I'm going to take a marker and draw a fresh line to that half an inch point of the elbow line. Today we are not going to put elbow darts because we're just doing the basic. Maybe with time we'll draft another sleeve with elbow darts. Now use a curve ruler and connect from your cap height to the elbow line. Just form a slight curve. Maybe if seam allowance was to be added to this sleeve pattern, the curve will be, slightly obvious, more obvious than now. So here you are, your sleeve is ready. Now it's time to test out your sleeve to be sure it will actually fit your garment. Use your tape and measure your armhole curve. Then confirm the front armhole curve to the front sleeve curve. Mine fits. Do the same for the back. And if everything is correct, thumbs up to you. Please go ahead and like this video. Give me a thumbs up if it was helpful. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And we'll be using this sleeve in drafting most of our garments. See you in the next tutorial. Stay blessed till then. And don't forget to draft your sleeve.